Huh?
The wedding is ongoing right now. Page for you. Thank you.
Here you are.
Wait.
Huh?
The wedding is ongoing right now. Page for you. Thank you.
Here you are.
Wait.
Huh?
The wedding is ongoing right now.
Finally, makabakasyon din ako.
Kailan kayo bakasyon?
September 24. Pabok na ako.
Sa 24, si ate naman, ano sila?
Okay.
Sana ang unang punta niyo.
Finally, makabakasyon din ako.
Kailan kayo kasi?
September 24. Abok na ako.
Sa 24, si ate naman. Ano sila?
Okay.
Sana ang unang punta niyo.
The mayor says, Shirley, will you have Joanna as your wedding first receiver? And then exchanging of the vows, mayor's gonna say, Joanna, please repeat after me. Make sure when the mayor says repeat after him, you repeat after him while you're looking at Shirley. Do not look at him. Same thing with you, Shirley. Exchanging of the ring. So you first, Danella, you give the ring to her, and then she gives the ring to Shirley, and then you second, okay? Not at the same time, okay? You guys are not gonna give the rings at the same time. So first and then second. I'm gonna guide you guys, okay? Then when you put the ring on her left ring finger, make sure to just hold it and repeat what the mayor says, okay? I'll be here to guide you guys, okay? Are you guys expecting anybody else ready to start? Yeah. One moment, let me put it here, okay? So sorry again for the delay, ah.
No problem. You stay here. There you go. Thank you. Good girl. Gusto niyo picture taking muna kayo?
Okay, look over here. One, isa, dalawa, tatlo.
One more.
One more.
Dito ka.
One more.
Tay.
Ano? Remove your jacket. Para makita yung maganda mong clothes.
I-open mo naman.
Alisin mo yung jacket. Para
Kasama
maganda
assistant
yung damit mo.
Kasama assistant ng Ninong.
Oh.
Si Ninong.
Okay, sama. Okay, everyone look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
One more. Sorry.
You guys can take picture after, but it's gonna be limited time, okay?
Yeah. That's why we're taking picture now. I know there's 2 more, right?
She'll be walking.
Give me the jacket. Masisira ang ganda ng damit mo.
Giniginaw daw siya.
Ginaw? Agoy.
Pangit pag may jacket.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ay, teka. Yung ano, yung flag. Ganda. 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Ports, marami ka na dito. Ancho. Cameraman.
O, diba?
Oh,
Good afternoon, Mayor. Ninang again.
sorry, I apologize.
No problem.
Thank you. About you, Mayor.
Still young. Joanna? Jerry. Ready? My dear family and friends, we are now gathered in order that we may all bear witness to this marriage between Joanna and Shirley. Marriage is a matter of most solemn interest, not only to Joanna and Shirley, but the whole community. Because the family is the foundation of our civilization, matrimony is an honorable state, having a significant religious and civil implication. It should not be entered into advisedly and lightly, but swiftly and soberly. Into this honorable state, Joanna and Shirley come now to be joined. Joanna, will you have Shirley as your wedded spouse to live together in the honorable state of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep yourself only unto her so long as you both shall live? Shirley, will you have Joanna as your wedded spouse to live together in the honorable state of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep yourself only unto her so long as you both shall live?
Okay, can I face each other 4 times? Thank you, Sarah, to true.
Okay, Joanna, repeat after me. I, Joanna, do take you, Shirley, to be my lawful wedded spouse in the presence of our family and friends, to love and honor, in sickness and in health, through good times and bad, as long as we both shall live. Shirley, repeat after me. I, Shirley, do take you, Joanna, to be my lawful wedded spouse in the presence of our family and friends, to love and honor, in sickness and in health, through good times and bad, as long as we both shall live.
If see Joanna, put it on her left ring finger. Left, the other finger.
Okay, Joanna, repeat after me. Shirley,
Shirley,
please
please
accept this ring
accept this
as a symbol
symbol
of my love
of my love
and affection
and affection
for you.
for you.
Sure. Sure.
Why hindi mo?
Left ring finger. Left.
Louder.
Other.
Okay, Shirley, repeat after me. Joanna,
Joanna,
please
please
accept this ring
accept this ring
as a symbol
symbol
of my love
of my love
and affection
and affection
for you.
for you.
Okay, hold hands and you face the mirror.
Inasmuch as Joanna and Shirley have consented to be joined in wedlock and have witnessed the same before this gathering of family and friends, and have pledged to each other and have declared the same by giving and receiving a ring, and by joining hands, and by virtue of authority vested in me under the law of the Commonwealth, and I pronounce you spouse. Show me the love, please. Very happy because I know that you guys are all residing here, right, in Saipan? Especially Shirley? Of course, everybody knows you. I always take this opportunity to share my top 3 priorities as your mayor. Number 1 is to promote safe community, safe village, and clean islands. That's my top 3. This island is no longer just tomorrow and with followers. This island is a diverse community. Yeah? Diverse. So you Filipino are included. Okay?
Thank you, Mayor.
So please join the mayor on this program because crime is driving crazy out there. Okay? So I need to embrace you with everybody. Okay? So join the mayor. There's nothing to be ashamed. Okay? Let's be ashamed when the crime starts hitting us. Okay? But again, please join the mayor. They help the mayor so we can have a safe community here. Diba?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Maraming
Mayor.
salamat po.
Thank you.
Let's have a picture.
Yeah, picture together, Mayor.
Yeah. I want this, Shirley.
Okay. Ask.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you, Mayor.
You're welcome.
Group na muna kayo. Say group picture dali.
Group picture.
Doon na. You can join. Okay. Okay, yeah.
You guys wanna join? I can
Okay.
Oh, yes. You know, you guys are my family. You're so
Okay.
beautiful.
Daddy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Dalawa, okay, dalawa. All right. Congratulations. Have a nice weekend to all of you. I know. I know. Okay. Take care. All right. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, Mayor.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, one more. One more. 1, 2.
Bati-bati
One
lang.
more. Wait. Let it catch. 1, 2, 3.
Did you want and Shirley? Okay. Can I have?
Iniwan ni Jojoy? Saan niya iniwan? Pala dyan. Salamin.
Apo.
Hi. Hello. Good. How are you? How are you guys? How many are you? Oh, you wait
Waiting. The what?
Parang 15, hindi naman. Nag-usapan ka pa lang namin.
May ano.
Hindi.
Here, there. No, there.
Ano lang na? Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
At saka si Ninong.
Meron pa. Si Terchi.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, si Archie.
Order po kayo.
So you guys, drinks. Iced tea, lemonade.
Akala ko siya na lang. Ate. Ate. Ate.
Arnold Palmer. Half and half.
Sino po lemon out tayo? Iced tea?
Iced tea. Ako walang yelo.
Ha?
Iced tea na.
Kasi alam ko platter ito.
Tatlong ganito.
Oh, yun. Ganon.
Ay, hindi. Spaghetti ba to? Isang spaghetti, dalawang ganito.
Ano ito? Crispy noodles. Crispy noodles. Oo, kasi gusto niya ng spaghetti si ano.
Oh, isang spaghetti, isang dalawang ganito. Okay, ito.
Kapag tayo din.
Okay. Yeah, ready.
Alam ko na yung share. Almawa, fried noodles, dalawa. Tapos, lumpia. Dalawang order na lumpia. Dagdag isa. Hindi. Dalawa lang. Marami yun.
Okay, dalawa.
Marami din. Kasi alam ko platter ito.
Tatlong ganito.
Oh, yun, ganon.
Ay, hindi. Spaghetti ba to? Isang spaghetti, dalawang ganito.
Ano ito? Crispy noodles. Crispy noodles. Oo, kasi gusto niya ng spaghetti si ano.
Oh, isang spaghetti, isang dalawang ganito. Okay, ito.
Kapag tayo din.
Okay. Yeah, ready.
Alam ko na yung share. Almawa, fried noodles, dalawa. Tapos, lumpia. Dalawang order na lumpia. Dagdag isa. Hindi. Dalawa lang. Marami yun.
Okay, dalawa.
Marami din. May pwede kami?
Mayroon pa silang gamot.
Una na yung hamon, di ba?
Mamasyal kami. Mamasyal kami ngayon. Kaya nila namin sa pinapadawag namin si mama.
Gusto ko, ayaw ng amo.
Kami yung football.
Abura na. Party siya. Kaya umiiyak yun eh. Masarap tumuli. At saka pag maingay ka, kasi yung alon doon parang bakit may nag-aalaga doon? Pero maraming isda.
Mark, sisig na ito. Tsaka ito sa ilaga. Nakuha namin isda, isang bulti. Meron mga tagtali. Ako din dito.
At saka pag maingay ka, kasi yung alon doon parang may nag-aalaga doon. Pero maraming isda.
Mark, sisig na ito. Tsaka ito sa ilaga. Nakuha namin isda, isang bulti. Meron mga tagtali. Ako din dito.
Ha? Pero sa station, malapit doon? May simple kayo?
Ano yung mga Mark?
Huwag na kami kakalimutan. Pag nandun na kayo, sobrang wala ng Amerika. May sili na pinag-usapan. Sili? Ito na yung suka na may sili.
Ito suka. Oh. Ito suka. Ano to? Ito? Lumpia sauce. Ito. Ay, na lumpia sauce. Kayo po. Okay.
Yung may maanghang, masarap yung may maanghang. Yan ay yung pala yun, yung may maanghang. Ha?
Pwede.
Alam? Ay, good. Okay na? Sa kanila, dito lang yung may sili. May kipay lang yung may sili.
Sili.
Kasi bago kasama tayo. Baka naman magkatay ka pa ng manok.